What if your next coworker is not human, but a powerful AI, and it doesn't need sleep, lunch breaks, or pay? This may sound like science fiction, but the future of work is already here. And if you don't adapt, you risk being left behind. In the past few years, AI has moved from the labs into offices, studios, and even boardrooms. Automated systems now handle everything from customer service and content creation to data analysis. Companies are adopting AI not just to increase efficiency, but to reimagine job roles entirely. This transformation not coming, it's happening now. So, what will change and what will remain? Repetitive tasks will be fully automated. Many traditional job descriptions will evolve or even disappear. But here's the truth. Machines will never replace our human edge, creativity, empathy, vision, moral judgment. Those who master that edge will shape the future. To thrive, you need 3 core skill sets. 1. Technical literacy, understanding how AI level. 2. Creativity and innovation, being able to use AI to generate new ideas, products, or services. 3. Human skills, emotional intelligence and ethics. Combine these skills and you become irreplaceable. Old mindset, I do the tasks assigned. New mindset, I create value no matter what the tool. Your value is no longer measured by how many hours you work, but by how effectively you solve problems, build assets, and unlock insight. AI is not your competition. It's your laboratory. There are 7 practical strategies. 1. Adopt lifelong learning. Pick one high-impact tool or tech domain every 3-6 months. 2. Build real projects. Launch something small using AI, a newsletter, a side app, a content series. 3. Combine income streams, consulting, digital products, content. 4. Network with other AI adopters. Join online cohorts or communities to collaborate. 5. Develop emotional resilience, regular reflection, mindfulness, journaling. 6. Protect your deep work. Block 2 hours daily for undisturbed, high-focus work. 7. Be ethical and responsible. Think about how your work serves society. If you ignore this shift, one of 2 things will happen. A. Your role becomes obsolete. B. You stay stuck in low-value work that doesn't grow or scale. Either way, you're vulnerable. Not because AI is evil, but because you refuse to evolve with your career ecosystem. But here's the beautiful part. This is the largest opportunity in a generation. A chance to build new skills, to lead new industries, to become a builder, not just a worker. If you commit today, you position yourself at the center of tomorrow's economy. So what will you choose? To be replaced, or to become the one who builds what replaces others? If you're ready to thrive, type I evolve in the comments.